Here is our build circuit. First of all, we connected the breadboard to the Arduino by these two wires from the ground to ground and from voltage to the anode, because this is our circuit's power supply. Then we connected the switch to the breadboard by these two resistors to ground and these two wires to the anode, because we only used these two switches. But also we connected the switch to the Arduino by these two wires that goes from the digital pins 8 and 7 to the terminals of the two switches. And then we placed our LED of 3 colors, and to connect it to the Arduino we use these 3 resistance, and the wires goes from each terminal to the digital pins 13, 12 and 11. And finally, so that both parts of the breadboard were connected, we use these wires because we also use this part of the breadboard. And to test our circuit, if we turn on both switches, the LED turns blue. If we just turn on the first one, the LED turns green, and if we turn on the red one, it turns red.